Let me show you how I cook my frozen dumplings. And I have a video how to make these dumplings, and I will include the link in the description below. So this is the frozen dumplings. I made it about 1 month ago. You're not going to defrost this. Take it out of the freezer immediately and have your steamer. Just put the water inside, turn it on, and while that water is boiling, about to boil, grease your tray here, and then put your dumplings, frozen dumplings, on top like this. You need to cook it longer, which is about 30 minutes. Remember the fresh one, 15-20 minutes, but the frozen one, you need to cook it for 30 minutes. Okay? Those days when you're busy, you just come home, take your frozen dumpling out of the freezer, and then just put it on your tray and then cook it.